You said this is the wrist that gives you a lot of trouble, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you do have a lot of restriction right in this area here. So I'm twisting, I'm not getting a lot of movement in this joint. So let's adjust that first.
Oh.
Perfect. How'd that feel?
Oh, good.
Now we're going to come into here. A lot of grinding. Let's get rid of that. Perfect. Perfect. So I'm going to start by adjusting right in that rib area, okay?
Yeah.
So let me know right when I get to that spot again. So right in there, huh?
Yeah.
Do me a favor, nice deep breath in. All the way out. Just let it all out. Perfect. All right, go ahead, nice deep breath in. And all the way out. Just relax it. Perfect. All the way out. Perfect. I'm going to start by adjusting right in the mid back first, okay?
Okay.
Now go ahead and take a nice deep breath in and all the way out. Wow, how'd that feel?
Really good. Oh my god.
And we're just going to drop this shoulder here, perfect. And just let the head drop. Just imagine it dropping.
Oh my god.
There we go.
Oh my god.
How was that?
I didn't think the neck could crack like that.
Awesome. And just let it fall. There we go.
Jesus.
Wow. Those were unexpected.
Oh my god.
Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in for me and all the way out. Just let it all out. Perfect. Let the head drop. Just let the head fall. And all the way out. Just relax it for me. There we
Oh my god.
go. Relax here for me, okay? And just let it relax. Oh. There we go. And just let it relax. Let it go, let it go. Oh. Very good. Whew. Big one. How'd that feel?
Good.
Slightly. Fall.
Woo! That one was way more intense. Oh my god, that was incredible. It's just like everything just feels like it's flowing.
You feel all that release is up there?
Oh, I feel like I can finally sleep. It was almost like a domino effect. Like it hits here and then you just feel it in all these other places, like in the upper body. Just like I said, my fingers are tingling because it just feels like blood flow is finally happening.
Awesome.
Oh, whoa.
Good.
Oh, my life flashed before my eyes. Amazing. If you see a single tear, it's a joy.
Go ahead, nice deep breath in, all the way out. Wow, those are big ones. How'd that feel? Yeah, good. Take deep breath in, all the way out. Very good. Go ahead. Close, open, close, open, close. One more time. And perfect. And open, close, open, open, close, open, close. Perfect. Close, open, close, Open. One more time. And very good. Just relax. Oh, fuck. Jesus. How'd that feel? Wow. Wow. Just let the head fall. Open the mouth slightly. Very good. And just slightly open the mouth. Oh, very good. Wow. How'd that feel? Man. Awesome release. Perfect. Go ahead and just bring the arms across the body. Just sit up as best as you can and all the way down. Go ahead, deep breath in, all the way out.
Oh my God, that's my favorite one.
Oh, how'd that feel?
It feels so good.
Awesome. So go ahead, nice deep breath in.
Si respiro profundamente
All the way out.
y afuera.
And just let it all go. Perfect. That was a good one.
Yes.
Okay, nice deep breath in.
Otra vez.
All the way out. Just relax. Perfect. Wow. Same thing here. Just relax it. Perfect. Awesome. Get all the way down to the left for me. And just go ahead and relax that shoulder there. And just let the head fall to the left. Let it drop, let it drop. Beautiful. Wow. And just feel the body sink to the table.
Oh my God.
How'd that feel?
Oh my, intense.
Awesome. Nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Very nice.
Oh,
How'd that feel?
feels good.
Awesome. Perfect. Have you come down for me? Relax that shoulder here. You're gonna feel me contacting it from the other side as well, okay? And just let the head drop.
That was.
How'd that feel?
I'm still feeling.
That was a big one.
Yes. Wow.
Awesome.